Howdy Hoopers, I'm Shay Rippinger here of Hip The Hoopla, here to give you a couple of off-body horizontal and vertical breaks to try. These are nice and simple and easy, and you don't have to have all the cool break techniques down. This is a good beginner move, something that almost anybody can do if you just try and apply. So here we go. So we're going to start with the horizontal plane, which means we're going parallel to the ground. So I'm using a small light hoop. You can use whatever size you want. Realize if you have a little bit bigger and heavier, you might have a little hoop droop in your hand, so you're going to have a stronger wrist to be able to hold a hoop up on this horizontal plane. Okay, so again, I highly recommend for off-body work, if you want to be trying to use a smaller, lighter hoop, this would be an excellent opportunity to do so. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be doing a simple hand pass. I'm going thumb to thumb with the hoop. So I'm just passing in front, passing in front, passing in front, passing in front. That's the first part of it. And then what a break is when I switch directions with the hoop. So if I switch directions with the hoop just in air, that's a break in essence as well. But we're going to actually break it on a body part, and we're going to use the hips for right now. So we're going to break on the hip, 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 hip with this hand pass. Now you can take this around the body with a hand pass as well, and hit, 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 circle, 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 hit, 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 hit. And you can even take and do this with an open hand and get your breaks that way as well. You're going to have to keep the momentum up with this one if you want to do this with an open hand to make sure you keep this parallel, because the speed, you want to keep that speed going, because if you don't have that speed going, your hoop is going to drop because of gravity and just go straight down. Okay, so now that was the horizontal plane right here, parallel to the ground. Now we're going to try the vertical plane. Now this one is a really cute one. I love this one. So you can take, and again, you can break anywhere on the body. You can be breaking on the shoulders. You can break with the chest break. You can break it on an angle. You can do all kinds of things. This particular one, I like it a lot because we're just going to take the hoop up and touch it to the rear end, and do it with a cute face. So try that with a cute face. You're just gonna go, woo! And generally with a really fun expression is also very entertaining as well. So you can add this into your hoop practice and have this be a fun little surprise element, like la 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 la. Woo! So that's a fun one to try. So we had the horizontal break, breaking on the body, break, 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 break. Hand pass, break, 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 and the vertical. So you can break on the front thigh as well. So if you're going forward to the back, and if you're using a different size hoop, this will touch on a different part of the body. So you might be able to get this all the way down the leg if you have a longer hoop, or if you have a full back extension. So I highly don't recommend you overextending your flexibility on this. Just go to what feels comfortable and good for you so that you don't strain and hurt anything. So we want to keep the dancer's body just beautiful and functioning for the longest period of time as possible. So safety is key. So try it in both directions. So when I'm doing this, I'm going thumb back to give this a good lead, and I'm going in the vertical plane. So I can keep this going here and switch. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that. It's fun, it's easy, it's very entertaining, and definitely do it with a smile and some great facial expressions. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. I am Shay Rippinger of Hip The Hoopla. Rock on, peace out. I will see you on the next video tutorial. Bye.